Here's a warm, emotional, and storytelling style voiceover script you can directly paste into CapCut for your crochet. Baby Socks Collection Video. Every tiny pair of baby socks tells a story of warmth, comfort, love, and the gentle care that comes with handmade creations. Somewhere, someone sat patiently with soft yarn in their hands, carefully creating these beautiful crochet baby socks one stitch at a time. Not just to make something cute, but to create something meaningful for tiny little feet stepping into the world for the very first time. Welcome everyone! Today, we're exploring a heartwarming collection of adorable crochet baby socks, designs and ideas. From cozy patterns to charming handmade styles, these tiny creations are full of creativity, softness, and pure cuteness. As you watch this collection, imagine a peaceful afternoon with yarn, creativity, and love coming together to create these beautiful designs. Every color choice, every tiny detail, and every stitch feels special in its own way. Some crochet baby socks are playful and colorful, bringing joy and sweetness to a baby's outfit. Others are soft, elegant, and simple, perfect for those calm and precious little moments. What makes crochet baby socks truly beautiful is not just how they look, but the feeling behind them. Handmade crochet pieces carry warmth that machines simply cannot replace. They feel personal, thoughtful, and filled with care. As this collection continues, you'll notice how creative crochet art can be. Some designs have cute little bows, some have textured patterns, while others feature soft pastel colors that make them look incredibly adorable. Tiny socks may seem like small things, but they often become part of unforgettable memories. A baby's first outfit, a family photo, a special gift from a grandmother, or a handmade creation prepared with excitement before a newborn arrives. That's why crochet creations are timeless. This collection is filled with inspiration for anyone who loves crochet, baby fashion, or handmade creativity. Whether you enjoy classic styles or modern cute designs, there's something here to admire and appreciate. And honestly, there's something so comforting about handmade crochet work. The soft textures, cozy appearance, and delicate craftsmanship make every pair feel unique and special. As you continue watching these adorable baby sock ideas, take a moment to appreciate the creativity and patience behind every design. Crochet is truly an art made with love. If you're enjoying this cute crochet collection, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and support the channel for more handmade baby fashion inspiration and beautiful crochet ideas. Thank you so much for watching and spending these cozy moments with me. I hope this collection brought you inspiration, warmth, and a smile. See you in the next beautiful crochet collection.